The Geneva Conventions govern conduct in armed conflicts. They're intended to protect civilians, prisoners of war, the wounded, and those who help them.
There was a report done by a gentleman working with Human Rights Watch back in 2002, which reported that there were children in different ethnic armed opposition groups, as well as regular reports of children in the Burmese army. So this is where it started.
In 2013, the Karen Liberation Army, one of the main armed groups in Myanmar, pledged not to recruit children. Catherine Kramer, a representative of the NGO Geneva Call, led the negotiations with the group.
The Geneva Call has been working with Karen National Liberation Army, which did have children associated, and we have been working with them to implement measures to ensure that children are not recruited, that children are not used. Well, I think in the beginning they probably laughed a bit because we were perhaps seen as kind of the hippies coming in, trying to get them to change their behavior. But I think as confidence built and they realized we were with them in the long run, that we were there dedicated to helping them improve their own behavior, that they very much developed a keen respect for us.
Child soldiers come under the Child Protection Convention, which dates from 1989 and includes text which is mainly about protecting children in armed conflicts and that is specifically focused on child soldiers.
We started negotiating with them in 2010. And after a couple of workshops about our deed of commitment to different brigade commanders, etc., the organization came to the decision that they were willing to sign. And in 2013, in July, they signed the deed of commitment. We support the group most is on disseminating the obligations to their members. So we provided some 2,000 booklets, illustrated booklets of the obligations on the protection of children. And we also did posters for them that illustrated the different obligations.
The armed groups are not themselves part of the Geneva Conventions. Organizations such as Geneva Call put in a lot of work to get them to follow the provisions of the Geneva Conventions.
We also schedule monitoring visits to ensure children aren't being used, to find other solutions for children who come to the group requesting assistance, etc. Whether it's us or through partners and so forth, to verify the situation.